Hello and welcome to Smith's Nissan in Peterborough. Here we have a 2021 Kia EV6 GT Line S with a heat pump. It's a fully electric vehicle. This car comes with balance of manufacturer's warranty. Extended warranties are available through us, a multiple inspection by Nissan trained technicians and a full history check. We can also offer a full range of finance packages to meet your requirements. Let's take a look around the car. Here we are up front. We have LED headlights, front parking sensors, and a front camera. Coming down to the passenger side front wheel. This car comes with 360-degree cameras, rear privacy glass. Coming down to the rear wheel. Coming round to the back, we have rear parking sensors and a reversing camera. This car features an electronic tailgate. Coming down to the driver's side rear wheel. Let's take a look inside the rear. Inside we have half leather, half suede interior with rear heated seats. Two USB charging ports. Let's take a look inside the front. Inside we have a Meridian speaker system, heated and ventilated front seats, here we have the infotainment screen with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, climate controls, heated seat buttons, drive selector, a heated leather steering wheel, heads-up display, an opening sunroof, coming down to the driver's side front wheel, and back round to the front. Thank you for watching this video.